H-A-Y-L-E, it's Haley. It's Haley. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Haley here, as you know. And, so I'm actually going to try you guys to get see something. So, I need to get these dominoes out. Let's see. Pretty much everything. Can you see stuff? No, you can't. No, you can't. I have to go get some books. Yes. Hopefully this works. I think it does. I can't help myself. I don't need no. Still no. I see it on my book.
Come across here one more time.
Okay, I won't. I think you can only see it. Literally, this doesn't even work. Guys, I literally think everyone could find it. Because I literally have 0 books. It's like, no! I just need my
No. No. What do you need?
It's right there. Right there.
Why is it that you need to go from study?
Yeah, with this.
You're not coming back across. After this, you try to come across in front of me, you're turning the computer off.
I need to go in and then I need to come out. Is that what I have to do?
What's the book for?
It's so they can see what I'm doing.
Alright, that's it. You come back across, computer's off.
I know. Guys, you see this yet? Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's stack some dominoes. You guys probably can't see my face right now. Wait. Let's do that. So let's make it right there. And then let's make another one over here. What this looks like. Okay guys, this is really stressful. Okay. Oh, no! It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall the other way. tiger right there. Oh god, you guys can't see this right now, but that is like so close from tumbling over. This is not Laura. So let me just pick these out. You can't see them. I can't see them. I have to do something. So you won't see them. Because they're not tall enough to be seen yet. Okay. They're little trains that are adorable. I have a red one. I have one of them. Red one. And I'm going to put this one over here. It almost knocked over the red one. If you guys can see it, there's a real right there, 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 and there. I'm going to point to the one again. Right there, 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 there. Alright guys. Let me just get these books. Guys, look at how much books I needed. Plus this. It was insane. So now, make a little chart with 3 rounds. Like this, this, and this. Down my middle. Down very top you write Haley, then you write your name. And then I'm going to try to do an animal. I'll say at the end, like a person or something, like, yeah. And then I'll do like, I don't know. But this is the longest video I've had, so I'm just gonna do something. You name it before the time runs out. Then you write check me new and then X by me. But if you get half good and I get half good, you get half point for me, half point for you. So yeah, if you get half point for me, half point for you. There's the red one. Right there. Oh. Finger. I still forgot to upload the video. Should have to upload the video. Alright. Hey people. You guys haven't seen the dog. But on Bianca's channel this Thursday, there will be some videos of us. So please watch those. Watch Bianca Baldwin's channel. Getting better at this stuff. It's Charger. He's probably in the bathroom. Alright, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chika! Alright, mark that off for Ska. Do I have to go to work today, though? Yeah, but Mommy. Alright, yeah. So. Wait, no, this probably sounds like a dying one. Where's Sonic? My little camera pet is gone. Oh no, wait. No. He was on the floor. Hey everybody! My name is Sonic! I'm getting better at putting him up. Alright. Next. Oh my gosh, I'm like so popular. Oh, you want me to send you a matching notebook? Okay. Oh, well. I'm like so popular, and so I like the cool clothes and that. You're like, ah. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Popular girl in school. She's a popular girl, and you're so good. Give yourself a half point. Alright, I have a third objective for this video. This is kind of like Thursday, so I'll probably end up posting this on Thursday. Hey guys, please subscribe, by the way. So, I'm going to be like me versus college girls. No, teenagers. Alright, so first, this is how I wake up in the morning. I'm so ready for school and math and learning, and it's going to be so much fun. I got my pillow, I got my blanket, I got my kitty, I'm ready for nap time. Let's go! Done. I don't want to go to school. I am cold. And we want to go to school. That was not hard. I should have picked something. No more school. Boys, 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 boys. 3. Yeah, boys. Boys, 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 boys. And more boys. And boys, boys, boys. 3. So fun. Yeah.